I'm delighted to be here with you today for what I understand is an EU first, having drone, aviation, and healthcare executive stakeholders together in one space to discuss how the latest drone technology can operate safely in urban airspace to deliver vital services to patients. Drone technology is rapidly evolving, and it is crucial to build the infrastructure and resources necessary to ensure proper handling and trust in its use for medical services. Fast and efficient with low environmental impact, drones offer a step change in transport logistics. Drones can significantly reduce delivery times for emergency blood or intraoperative samples, and hospitals stand to benefit from unmanned, highly automated delivery networks. With the sudden impulse from COVID-19 and upcoming developments in EU drone legislation, the landscape is changing in favor of medical drones. As this market continues to grow, the pressure is on to make U-Space a reality. In other words, to ensure the safe and secure integration of drones into European airspace. The star of the show is, of course, the SAFIR-Med project, which stands for Safe and Flexible Integration of Advanced U-Space Services for Medical Air Mobility. This 2.7 million euro very large-scale demonstration project is managed by the SESAR 3 joint undertaking. The project is coordinated by Helicus with 17 partners and 12 advisory board members. This key project is co-funded by the European Commission's Horizon 2020 program, and you will hear a lot more about the project over the course of the day. I'm immensely proud of what the SAFIR-Med partners are working towards, trialing real-life applications and identifying the support services that will be needed to operate safely in several demonstrations. The flights are indicative of operations that will become possible when new European regulations start to take effect from 2023. With the SESAR portfolio of research and innovation on U-Space and drones, we are making sure that the right services and technological solutions are available to support these deliveries, meeting the expected safety and security requirements, and ultimately to make sure that medical air mobility is ready to take off. I would like to make a special welcome to the representatives of the healthcare sector who are with us today, whose strong presence in today's event demonstrates both interest and desire to explore and exploit the new opportunities presented by drone technology, and also the need within the sector to advance in this direction. Of course, no one stakeholder group can make this happen on its own, and it is essential that we secure broad support at European level if we are to make the progress we need to make these services a reality. Political support for such programs will also be essential in making U-Space a reality, and I am delighted that the Belgian Prime Minister, Mr. De Croo, will provide a keynote today demonstrating Belgium's commitment to integrating this innovative business concept into the digital European sky. Before I hand back to Michael, I would like to show you a short animation which showcases the SESAR vision to achieve safe, sustainable, socially accepted, and socially beneficial urban air mobility. Thank you. I wish you all a very enjoyable conference. Thank you.